How to request a replacement PNC card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request a replacement PNC card. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC Mobile App on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and after that you can simply select or tap on cards. And now on the new section, you just have to select the card that you want to replace, and there you can just tap on card action or request a replacement card to begin. And after that you just have to follow the on-screen prompts to complete your request, and once you do that, your new card will generally arrive within 5 to 10 business days, and fees typically do not apply for credit card replacement. And that's it. That's how you can request a replacement PNC card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.